welcome back to another episode of the Mukbang Eating Show. So today we're gonna try these hot Cheeto flavor shots. Flaming hot asteroids. I can't wait to try these. It's been, what, 15 years since the last time I tried these? And I'm ready for the new comeback. I used to love these back in high school. These babies used to come in a plastic container, and now you find them in a plastic bag. So let's go ahead and open them. Wow, it's gonna be a challenge to open these. Definitely. Oh, pop them open. There you go. And you can pull them right off. Look a little bit smaller from where I remember these guys. They definitely have shrinked. Definitely. Nice and spicy. The flavor is still authentic and delicious. Brings joy and happiness to my mouth. Definitely satisfy my itch. Oh yeah, I could definitely see myself craving these babies. So small but so good. Told you, good things come in small packages. So good. Hey Cubby, come try these.
No.
Why not?
It's spicy.
They're not spicy, they're delicious. You love hot Cheetos.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, you can't get enough of these. They're so good.
It's so good. Yummy.
Now I know why everybody was going crazy about these.
My own.
Definitely worth it. Hot Cheeto Asteroids coming my way.
Comment down below if you like spicy. Get a big thumbs up.
Oh yeah, big thumbs up. Hit that like button.
And click the bell.
Oh yeah, click the notification bell. So there you have it, food freaks. Some delicious flaming hot asteroids. Oh yeah, you gotta love them.
Bye bye guys. See you later.
Bye bye, food freaks. Till next time we eat again. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.